Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $452 that I'm going to be putting into all of my envelopes and savings challenges and all those things. So I'm just going to plan it out. That way I can go to the bank later today and pull out the money and then cash stuff this, which will be in Sunday's video. So this is the whole process before I do my cash stuffing. So I wrote down all the envelopes that I plan on stuffing this week. I always try to stuff something into each one. So I have all my envelopes already written down on this sheet, and I'm just going to go through each one and figure out how much is going to go into the envelope. So first off, I have my wallet. I already figured out my wallet. I'm just doing the same amount I always do in my wallet. So spending this week will get 30, eating out will get 30, groceries 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So that is, actually I need to, before I forget, I need to take some money out of here. I reloaded twice on my card, so I'm just gonna put it in here because that money is technically spent. Okay, with that little adjustment. Okay, so that's 170 here. Okay, I'm just going to start subtracting it from the 452 total. So that leaves me with 282. Okay, first, before I go into my binders, I want to just do some savings challenges first. So let me do that one. Grab a blue binder, a mint binder. And I have one where I'm rolling the dice. So I want to do that one first. And let me get the dice. Okay. And so what I'm going to do, actually I only need one dice. So I am just going around this board, kind of like you play Monopoly, and then seeing what I land on. So I'm on 9 right now. This is what I left off on. So I'm going to roll. I think I might roll twice maybe. We'll see what I get. I'm kind of just playing this by ear with this challenge. All right, so I got 2, so that's 3. That's actually not too bad. So I'm gonna roll again. Okay, so 3 is gonna go into this challenge, and I'll roll one more time. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got 9. So that's 12. Okay, so 12 is going to go into this challenge, and then I'm just going to mark a little X here. That's where I left off, and then I'll erase this one once I get something to wipe this off. But at least I got 3 and 9, so that is 12 for this challenge, the Luckopoly. That is a good amount to go in there. This challenge is linked down in my description if you're interested in purchasing it. I try to link all the challenges that I'm using right now from other shops, so those will be linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing them. This is another one that I'm doing, this little to-do one. I think for this one, I will do save 4. With this challenge, my leftover money in my wallet, whatever I have left over is going to go towards savings challenges. So this might get more than 4, but I just want to at least do 4, a little bit of something, plan for something for this challenge. So that's 4. I subtracted, right? I can't even remember. 4 and 12. Okay, so that's 266 left. So I'll do 4 for this challenge. Okay, and then the other one I want to do, oh, the cash stash one. Cash stash, that's another big one that I need to plan ahead for. So right now I'm just going to do 25, but again, usually what I do with this one to help me knock out some of the larger ones is I'll take leftover money to help me bump these up a little bit. So 25 will get filled, at least planned for now for this challenge. Okay, and then I think for the other ones, I'll come back. Shall I come back? I'll plan them now since I'm here. 52 circle, I'll just do 4 on this one. And then 100 challenge, 100 envelope challenge. I'm just gonna do 5. I like to start low, and then I can, with that leftover money, I can fill something a little bit bigger. 5. And then for the $10 and $1 challenge, I'll save those for the end after I put money into all my other envelopes. For now, that's a good start. Okay, so I got all those taken care of. Now I'm just gonna go into my envelopes. I have some high priority envelopes that I want to focus on first, so that is going to be not emergency, extra savings and month ahead. I will put 15 into these. 15, 15, so that's 30. And then also I have 2 over here that I'm prioritizing. So Go Wild will get 15, and Treat Yourself, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Treat Yourself will get 15 as well. Okay, so 15, so 15, so that's another 30. All right, so I have 172 to go into the rest of my envelopes. Now that I got savings challenges out of the way and high priority envelopes out of the way. Okay, so we got auto. I actually have a decent amount in here. I'm almost at 500. So I think for this one, I will put 10 in auto. Electronics is just gonna get 5 this week. Okay, I already did. Oh no, emergency will get 10 as well. Okay, extra savings is done. Furniture will get 5. The month ahead's done. Rainy day will get 5. Registration's already fully funded. Road trip will get 5. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions. I'm gonna put 10 in here. Travel will get 5. Okay, let's see, next binder. Beauty, I think I might just put 5 in all these envelopes. 5, clothing, 5. I actually have decent amounts in here. Costco will get 5. Oh, family. Family, I'll put 10 in here. Gifts, 5. Home, 5. Household, 5. Pantry's already fully funded, and Target will get 5. Okay, just have a few more envelopes to fill. All right, I already did Go Out. This is why I like to get these larger ones knocked out before I get to this part. Disneyland will get 10. I already did that one. Fun will get 5. Hobbies will get 5. And then Christmas and holiday decor will get 5. Christmas, holiday decor. Okay, I'm left with 37. So I'm thinking, I don't want to put all of that into savings. Well, I'll put, let's do 20 of that into the $10 challenge. Because I like coloring in that cute little piggy. He's super cute. And then I think 15 of this, 15, I will bump up some of these envelopes. So let me go in here. Some of these are getting a bump up. So I think Disneyland, I should put a little bit more into Disneyland because I'm going next week for my birthday. Oh, small binder. What am I doing? I'm going next week, and I want to make sure I have a good amount in here. So right now I have 67, which is enough to pay for the little food pass I want to get to do the food and wine festival. So I think I want to do, let's do 15 in here. I also like to buy a little pin every time I go. Every time I go to Disney, I buy a pin. And then I have a little pin board where I put the pins on them. So I want to make sure I have enough money to do that too. Okay, so that leaves me with 12. Next one I want to do is, I think, family. So I'm going to be doing some stuff with my family this weekend. I'm going to bump up to 15 as well. And then I'm left with 7. And I think I'm going to bump up fun because I'm going to go to eat with some friends. Not next week, but the week after. So I want to have a little bit more in that one. So that's another 5. And then that 2, I'm just going to put in the dollar challenge, $2. Okay, so that should be correct, but I'm going to double check and make sure my totals are correct. And just calculate this and make sure this does total up to 452. The totals look good, so now I'm just going to figure out the denominations. I'm getting lots of 5s. Actually, last time I went to the bank, they didn't have 10s. They were having an issue with, at my bank they have, I'm sure that other banks they have it too, but it's really easy to get this money out now because the tellers just punch it in and then it spits it all out in the denominations that you asked for. So it doesn't take a long time. That's what I was worried about. Like, I was always worried about being a pain about getting this money and them having to get it all. But they have this like automated machine that does it for them. But the machine was broken. Yeah, it was broken last week and they were out of 10s, I believe. So I had to get a lot of 5s. So yeah, I think on 5s they're probably, hopefully it'll be good. I've gone to the bank where they ran out of 20s. That was before a holiday though. They ran out of 20s. And usually in those situations, I'll try to go lower in lower denominations. Just because I'd rather have 2 5s than like them make them 20s if I need 10s. So yeah, just go lower basically. Oh, I also got a lot of 1s. Oh my goodness, I got like 101s. But thankfully I had money that I was able to condense it. And so it kind of worked out. But yeah, hopefully they have all the money. Hopefully the machine's working when I go later today. And that won't be an issue for them to get this money. All right, so auto this week, or I'm going to do 10. So that's a 10. Then I got a 5, 10, 15, a 5, another 15. And then I got a few 5s here. And then a 10. So lots and lots of 5s. 5 and then a 15. More 5s. And then a few 15s. 10, 5. All right, so $10 challenge is two 10s. The to-do challenge is a 4. Luckopoly is 12, so that's a 10 and 2 1s. 52 circles is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $1 challenge is 2. And then cash dash is 25. So that's a 20 and a 5. And the 100 envelope is 5. Okay, so now I'm just going to count the tallies. So 50s, I have 1. 20s, 3, 4. 20s, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10s. 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5s. And then ones, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ones. All right, so now I'm just going to multiply these together so that way I can make sure I do have 452. So this is 50, 80, 180, 225 times 5 is 125, I think. I always struggle with the 5s. 25 times, I always second guess myself with the 5s. And then 17. Okay, so next I'm just gonna add these up. 50, 80, 180, 125, and 17, 452. Perfect. All right, so now I'm just going to grab a little sticky note and I'm just gonna write out all of this info. So I have 50 times 1 is $50, and then I have 20 times 4 is 80, and then 10 times 18 is 180, 5 times 25 is 125, and then 1 times 17 is $17, and that is a total of $452 that I will be getting from the bank today. Okay, so that is it for this cash planning. Tomorrow I will have a cash stuffing video with this money, so definitely check that out because my savings will change because I'll be taking money out of this wallet that I didn't spend and actually putting it into my challenges. Actually, it was pretty good. I haven't spent anything in eating out. Actually, I liked my meal prep for this week for my eating out, so I didn't really eat out this week. So I do have a good amount of money in there to put into some challenges, so that's exciting. But other than that, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my channel and I'd appreciate it. So thank you again for taking the time out of your day to watch. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next one.